Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. It's Vivian Ebony, and are you looking for the perfect Christmas gift you can give to your family, your friends, your relatives? This DIY herbal cocoa butter is the one for you. So keep watching for the full recipe. Now we have our ingredients. They are very easy to acquire and very simple to use. We have our raw unrefined shea butter, our cocoa powder. I have the video in my channel of how I made it. And we have our jojoba oil. And the benefits of all these oils will be listed below. We have our coconut oil, our peppermint oil, and that is it for the ingredients. So let's move to the process of making this butter. We will use our double boiling method to melt our butter, and while our butter is melting, we'll mix our oils together. We'll mix the jojoba oil, our coconut oil into our cocoa powder. Then we stir that for a little while and allow it to sit while our butter is melting over there. Jojoba oil is a lightweight oil which is great for this recipe, and so is coconut oil because this butter can be used for the hair and the skin. So here we're trying to mash the butter to make it easy to melt. Then you want to double boil the oil and cocoa powder in for about 5 minutes. Then you strain it while it's still hot and then let it cool down a bit. Then we want to mix in the oil and the cocoa powder into our already melted shea butter. Now we want to stir the mixture now to allow the butters and the oil to mix properly. And then we'll put that in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So this is how it's looking, not so thick. So at this point, we want to start mixing everything together. You want to do that on a low speed to allow everything mixing gradually. And here we're adding our peppermint oil. This helps to increase blood flow to the scalp, which can stimulate hair follicles, and peppermint oil can thicken the hair. Here I'm adding vitamin E oil. This is optional. I'm doing this for the preservative properties it has. Now the key secret to making a light, soft and fluffy butter is by making the ratio of the oils and the butter equivalent to each other. That means making your butter 50% and your oils 50%. That is how you get it very lightweight, very easy to apply and not thick. And if you've made it this far to this video, I hope you've subscribed and I hope you've liked this video. You can leave a comment. You can store this butter in a plastic container or whatever. You can give this to your friends, to your family this Christmas period. It is great for the skin, it is great for the hair, and it smells wonderful. I like my butters being greasy and oily, so I don't use any arrowroot or any of that sort because that is the purpose of a butter. I like that shine it has to my skin and my hair. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe, and see you in my next video.